Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning. There is no Prime Minister of India, no President of America, no king, no queen, no parliament. There is only one person, one human being, making every single decision for 8 billion people. What would that world actually look like? Would it be paradise or the most dangerous world in human history? Welcome to One Earth, 2026, Part 1, How It Happens. First, how does one person even become the leader of the entire world? It doesn't happen with a war. Wars create more division, more hatred. It happens with a crisis. In our alternate timeline, 2031, a deadly virus hits Earth, 10 times worse than COVID. Every country responds differently. Some lock down, some don't. Some share vaccines, some hoard them. 3 billion people die in 2 years. The world is broken. Governments have failed. People are angry, desperate, hopeless. And then one leader appears, not a politician, not a general, a scientist, a woman from Singapore, who single-handedly develops the cure, distributes it to every country equally, free of cost. She saves what's left of humanity. And the world, broken, desperate, grateful, gives her everything. Every country, every army, every resource. One leader, one Earth. Part 2. The first 10 years. The first 10 years under one world leader are honestly amazing. Here's what changes immediately. War disappears. There are no countries to fight each other. No borders, no territorial disputes, no nuclear threats. For the first time in human history, Earth is completely peaceful. Not one single war. Poverty collapses under 200 separate governments. Rich countries hoarded wealth. Poor countries stayed poor. Under one leader, resources are distributed equally. Every human on Earth gets food, clean water, education, healthcare. Within 5 years, extreme poverty drops by 80%. Climate change solved. No more arguing between countries about who should reduce emissions. One leader makes one decision. Every factory, every car, every power plant converted to clean energy within 7 years. The ozone layer starts healing. Oceans start recovering. Animals start returning. For the first 10 years, One Earth feels like paradise. People say, why didn't we do this sooner? But then, year 11 happens. Part 3, when it all breaks. Here is the problem nobody saw coming. The leader gets old. She is 71 years old in year 11. And the question nobody thought to answer, who comes next? Under normal democracy, elections happen. People choose. But under one world government, there are no elections. No system to choose the next leader. Because nobody planned for this. The leader's advisors start fighting. Her son wants power. Her general wants power. 3 different factions, each controlling different parts of the world, start threatening each other. And here is the terrifying part. There is no balance of power anymore. Before, if America became too powerful, Russia, China, India could push back. Under one world government, whoever controls the center controls everything, every army, every nuclear weapon, every food supply, every water source. The stakes are not one country. The stakes are the entire human race. One wrong decision, one power-hungry person, and 8 billion people have no backup plan. No other country to run to, no alternative government, nowhere to escape, because there is only one Earth and only one throne. Part 4, the twist. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Democracy is slow, messy, frustrating. Different countries arguing constantly. It feels inefficient. It feels broken. But that messiness, that arguing, that chaos is actually the most important safety feature in human civilization. When power is divided, no single mistake destroys everything. When one country fails, another country can help. When one leader becomes corrupt, other leaders can stop them. The diversity of governments on Earth is not a bug. It is the feature. One world leader sounds like paradise, but paradise with no backup plan is just a disaster waiting to happen. The strongest structures in engineering are not the ones made of one solid piece. They are the ones made of many connected parts, each part supporting the other. If one part breaks, the rest hold. Earth is the same. Our divided, messy, arguing world is stronger than any paradise built on a single foundation. One world leader, one Earth. Sounds beautiful until it isn't. The scariest prison in the world is the one that looks like paradise from the outside. If this video made you think differently, share it with someone who thinks one world government is a good idea. Comment below. Would you trust one person with the entire world? Yes or no? Tell me. And subscribe to What If Multiverse. Because in this channel, we don't just ask questions. We change how you see the world. See you in the next alternate reality.